Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, NG heavyweight torpedo development. In a recent interview with Bharat Shakti editor-in-chief Nitin A. Gokhale, Commodore A. Madhav Rao, retired chairman and managing director of Bharat Dynamics Limited, offered exciting insights into the company's future endeavors. A key area of focus is the development of the next generation electrical heavyweight torpedo, initially called Takshak, a significant leap forward from the current Varunastra HWT, that is heavyweight torpedo. The Takshak torpedo represents a significant leap forward from the existing Varunastra HWT. The Varunastra, a testament to India's indigenous defense capabilities, has served as the mainstay of India's anti-submarine warfare efforts. The Takshak builds upon the success, offering enhanced features and capabilities. Next, Indonesia considers Indian-made artillery system. Indonesia is evaluating a proposal from India for a new artillery system, according to a recent meeting between the two countries' defense ministries. A delegation from the Indonesian Ministry of Defense, led by Secretary General Marsdia TNI Pamdonne and Mawan Tofanto, MDS MSP, received a presentation about the MGS 155 mm 8x8 truck-mounted artillery gun system. This presentation took place during a series of meetings forming the 7th Joint Defense Cooperation Committee between Indonesia and India. Next, IAF is navigating the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence in combat aviation. While the US has made significant strides with its AI-controlled F-16 Vista, India's approach appears more measured, favoring a collaborative model for the time being. The success of the Vista program in the US, where artificial intelligence has reportedly surpassed human pilots in simulated dogfights, has undoubtedly captured the IAF's attention. However, concerns regarding the technology, the current limitation remain. Next, batch of T-90 Mark III tanks is rolled out. On May 13th, Heavy Vehicle Factory Awadhi celebrated a significant milestone with the rolling out ceremony of a new batch of T-90 Mark III tanks. The ceremony was held virtually and inaugurated by two distinguished guests, Lieutenant General Vivek Kashyap, Director General of Armored Corps, and Sri Sanjay Dwivedi, CMD AVNL. Next, new BrahMos missile plan to double India's production capabilities. In a significant stride towards bolstering India's defense capabilities and achieving self-reliance in defense manufacturing, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh recently announced the commencement of BrahMos missile production in Lucknow from 2026. The BrahMos missile, known for its precision strike capabilities and supersonic speed, is a joint venture between India's DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashinostenian. With the upcoming establishment of a BrahMos missile production plant in Lucknow, India aims to ramp up its production capacity significantly. Next, INS Vaghshir delivery to Indian Navy delayed. The Indian Navy's much anticipated 6th and final Cavalry class submarine INS Vaghshir is set for a slightly delayed delivery, according to information received. The submarine's arrival is now expected by late June 2024 instead of the earlier projected time frame of early 2024. Thank you.